Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I ran to Michael's like you do on a Sunday for yarn. Well, I didn't buy any yarn, but look what I found. I had no idea they were out. My store had a bunch, but it's Easter stuff, I'm sure, spring maybe, so I just grabbed two. But we're gonna open these together and see what we got. I know for a fact that this one, one of them has a pillow in it, which I thought was exciting. But, yeah, it's Easter stuff. So that's exciting. Okay. Aren't they cute? Little fuzzy. Oh, and this stuff is priced. This is regularly $10. What? That's expensive. A lot of this stuff will probably get donated. Not these. Oh my gosh. Tissue. I mean, we all need napkins. And these are for, this is perfect for summer. And look at the gold. Yeah, these are just summer napkins in my life. I don't care if they look springy. It's spring. I'm shocked that they already have this stuff out in these containers, to be honest, and the $10. But these were regularly $4.99. So we're up 10, 20. We're already at $35. Now, lots and lots and lots of plastic eggs. We'll figure out something to do with these. Probably we'll put them out on my site free because I don't necessarily need plastic eggs, but you never know. I can make a wreath. There's glitter eggs too. They're pretty big ones. These are, they're a 6-pack. I don't know how much they were. Doesn't say. I don't know. Glitter, and then these were just the plain. Also 6 pieces. Oh, $2.99. These were $3 a pack. I like the plain ones. I mean, I like them all. They're Easter eggs. They're cute. Okay. Ooh. I don't know anybody that does mesh still. But it's spring colors. And you get a lot in here. These were $10. 6 yards of mesh. That's exciting. Okay, she's cute. Okay, that is adorable. With regular price was $40. She has a little dress on. Her little ears, her little tulips. I mean, this is adorable. She's cute. I might put her out next Easter. Why not? Next spring. This is completely adorable. She can stand next to my fireplace. And then the last thing in here, as I suspected, was the pillow, which I love this pillow. It's like, I don't think it's actual crochet. I'm pretty sure they have figured out how to machine a similar stitch. This is not actual crochet, but... And this pillow, full price, was $30. And I think this stuff was regularly half price, but this is adorable. I love this green. Yeah, I like this pillow. We'll put it back here for summer. And that was it in this box. So the only thing I don't think I will use is the glitter eggs, but there's plenty of kids in my neighborhood that I can pass on to the parents. But I will 100% use napkins, and I will find a use for these little fuzzy Easter bunnies. And of course, she's staying because she's cute. All right, that was box number 1. The boxes were very light, I will say. All of the boxes were light. We're going to open up our second box and hope it's not full of plastic Easter eggs. it's fine. If it is, the pillow and that Easter bunnies were worth it to me. Heck, that pillow was worth it. I do love a pillow. Oh, whoa. I don't know what's in here, but we got some cute stuff. And it's not plastic Easter eggs. I try to peek in these boxes, at least to see one thing I will like. I couldn't see into these. Okay. Ooh, girls and boys. We have some cute things in here. First of all, these are adorable. These are bottle brush trees, but upside down, and they're carrots. This was $20 regular price. But they were, like I said, they were regularly half price. And I'm dying. I am 100% keeping this. Oh my gosh. Regular price, $24.99. Yes, please. And these are stuck in here. They're not coming out. It's a display piece. What the heck? I need that for spring. And then the other, oh, these are cute. I think they're just like table decor, but they're also little Easter carrots. But I think like bowl filler maybe. Yeah. And these were $10 regular. Oh my gosh. That right there makes me very happy. And there's more. But there's more. I will definitely be passing these off to my neighbor. These are sun catcher kits. What? Hold on. I think you bake them. Yes. So you put little colored beads and then you bake it. I might make them. Who knows? This one, and these were $5. And this is a craft kit with glue and sticks, like popsicle sticks. Oh my gosh. There's another, I got three of these kits. And then this is another sun catcher kit of a different type. Those are fun. And these were all $5 as well. Oh no, this was $3. These were $3. And this one, I think I'm going to make this one, is $5. I'm going to make this one. But we'll see on the rest. My neighbor down the street has lots of littles. And what is this? I don't know what this is, but it was 20. Oh, it's a pretty table runner. Oh my goodness. Tell me that is not gorgeous. It is like, and it's lined. And it's nice and long, but look at the edges. This is what I love. The detail. For spring, yes. On my brand new, my brand new back to me table, which was my grandmother's table. Oh, yes. I'm very pleased with this. And I think everything was 40% off now that I remember. This was regularly $25. Oh, I love it. That is going to be so wonderful for spring. Oh, and another pillow. Ooh, this one was $30. It's super heavy. Look at the toile with the bunnies. Oh, I love this. I love this pillow. It's super, I just got something in my mouth. Super full, like really full and heavy. I don't think, no. I was trying to see if I had a zipper. It does not, but I don't care. But look at the bunnies. Oh, I love it. So this will be great. I think it'll look nice with that. Nice little contrast. Let's see what else. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. I don't even know what to grab first. Look at this little bunny. This is a tabletop bunny, regular $25. It's stuffed, but there's weight, like beads or seeds here to hold it straight upright. But it's like squishy. That is adorable. I love this one. And I can always take his little bow and change it out for something a little brighter if I wanted, but I'm not minding the neutral. So I got that one. This is adorable. This one was regularly $20. He's just a green little bunny looking up. Very lightweight. It's probably styrofoam. Yeah, styrofoam covered in moss, like that fake green moss. Adorable. Regularly $19.99. So cute. And then I love this. Look at that egg. I could sit this next to, no, probably not. This was regularly $30. And it's just they're calling it just decor. Easter meadow. I can't remember, like a rattan or some type of a rush plant that they have braided and then wrapped around a wire frame. I love that. I love the neutrality of it. I would totally sit these next to each other. I would sit those next to each other. So pretty. And then there's one more thing. It's hot pink silverware, plastic silverware. I'm not mad about that. I use plastic silverware in the summer when I take picnics and bring my lunches and stuff. And this looks like nice silverware, and it's hot pink. That will go with my napkins. And this was regularly $9.99. Guys, I will put up here on the screen, if I can remember, how much retail was and how much I paid. Why not? That is everything I got. I feel like I need to go back and get the rest of them, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to be a greedy Greta. There were plenty left behind. We got some time. I'm going to look at the directions on this one. So I'm done showing things if you're done watching things, but if you want to see what this is all about, because I do, we're going to open it. I just want to see what you do. I'm pulling out the directions. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm right because there's beads involved. Place the metal ornament frame on a cookie sheet with oven-safe foil or parchment. Okay, so you're baking this flat side down. Place the corresponding color beads into the corresponding position shown and fill with one color at a time until finished. Bake at 365 for 5 minutes. Oh. And then you thread it. And here's the colors. Oh, I'm so making this. This is adorable. And then you get in here, oh, it's big too. So in here you have, there's your yellow. These are like pony beads, right? But they're crystals, but yes. So there's your yellow, your orange, your light pink, your dark pink for the inside, the blue for the eyes, I think. Yeah. And then what color do I put inside the eye? Oh, I don't, because here's the frame. So it would be light pink out here, dark pink in the center, blue on the eyes, the orange on the beak, and then all of this is just that light yellow, and you bake it, and it melts. And then you have little tweezers if you get your colors messed up. And then it came with a little piece of yellow string, but any baker's twine or gold or hoop will work. We're gonna make this. I'm excited. But for now, we'll put it back together. So that is exciting. And you open these each color as you need that color and hope you don't mix everything together. How fun is that? All right, that is everything that we got in boxes 1 and 2. I'm excited. So stay tuned for a second and I will put the pricing up there of how much each box was and how much I saved. All right, guys, have a great day and I will talk with you later. Bye.